Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I'm now in Philippines. I'm now in Cebu for work and I've checked into the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel because of this location. Is in the city center and close to the IT park. So I'm going to have a few meetings here, so I'm staying here for one night. So actually, it's a very reasonable and good hotel for the price that I'm paying. I'm paying around 120 US dollar and get a suite, and then I think they upgraded me to the executive suite. Thank you. So I'm going to give a quick room tour. I'm in room 1, 2, 3, 6. So walking in the powder room, the guest bathroom on my left, dining table, okay, with the table for 4 chairs, with the kettle and then 2 bottles of water. I haven't checked out the mini bar yet, or if it's just a fridge. Okay, so actually it's a mini bar, so they do have drinks and snacks as well. And of course with the instant noodle, okay. And then interesting decor. And then this is the work bench, and then this is the sofa area with the TV. So quite nice decor, like, you know, with that. So very quickly, I have a very open view, which is nice, not too close to other buildings. So this is the living room area, and then I walk in, this is the bedroom. So again, king size bed, thick mattress, and other TV here, and other small work desk, and a lazy chair here with the magazine, What's Hot in Cebu. Okay, so, and then very quickly, they do have a nice bathtub, and then also with the rain shower in my suite. So it's the executive suite. So honestly, with this pricing, is ideal and perfect for a business trip, for my business stay. So I'm going up to the 18th floor, the Ambassador Club floor, to check out their club lounge. Okay, so this is the Ambassador Club Lounge. It's open every day from 5 to 7.